everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to show you this measuring tape. But I absolutely love it. It actually comes with a 25 feet capacity, so you can actually easily measure your ceiling, measure your sofa, and as you can see, it actually comes with a vast array of notes. As you can see, each foot is actually enhanced in black, which is super cool. And also what's really nice, you can secure this tape in place, right? So depending on the length you need, so you don't have to keep on closing it, which is also very important if you do have projects on your own. And as you can see, it is actually stands, right? So it is flexible, as you can actually go around objects, right? But it also holds its space, and it also comes with a very convenient clip, so you can easily secure it on yourself, on your tool bag, and so on. But again, even though it is 25 feet long, it is still quite portable. Absolutely love it for a variety of projects in our home.